Welcome students in the second lecture of chapter 2, the human body. Today we'll study about respiration. Respiration is a process of breathing in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Respiration is a process of breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. So breathing involves two processes, inhalation and exhalation. Breathing involves two processes, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation means taking in air rich in oxygen, and exhalation means giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. So what we have studied, that respiration is a process of breathing in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Breathing involves two processes, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is a process of taking in air rich in oxygen, and exhalation is a process of giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. Our respiratory system consists of three parts: nose, windpipe and lungs. Here you can see that our respiratory system consists of three parts: nose, windpipe and lungs. Air enters through two openings in our nose called nostrils. The air passes through nostrils through the windpipe. This is a windpipe. This is also called as trachea. Air enters through two holes in our nose. These holes are called nostrils. Then this air passes through windpipe. This windpipe is also called trachea. Trachea branches into two smaller tubes. Here you can see that this is windpipe or trachea. Here trachea branches into two pipes called bronchi. In each lung, bronchi again divides into smaller tubes called bronchioles. Now you can understand with the help of this diagram. Air enters through two openings or holes in our nose. These openings are called nostrils. When the air enters, it passes through windpipe or trachea. Again, trachea divided into two pipes called bronchi. Each bronchi enters into lungs and divided into several small thin bronchioles. At the end of each bronchioles, there are air sacs. Now you can see with the help of these diagrams. Air enters through two openings called nostrils. From this, air passes through windpipe or called trachea. Trachea again divides into two pipes called bronchi. Each bronchi enters into the lungs and divides into several thin tubes called bronchioles. At the end of each bronchioles, small air sacs are present. Exchange of gases takes place in the air sacs. The chest expands rhythmically when we take in air and contracts when we release air. So what we have studied, that breathing is a process in which there are two processes, inhalation and exhalation. And inhalation means taking in air rich in oxygen, and exhalation means giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. The air enters through two openings or called nostrils. From nostril, this air passes through windpipe. Windpipe is also called trachea. Again, trachea divides into two parts called bronchi. Each bronchi enters the lungs and divides into several tubes called bronchioles. At the end of each bronchiole, there are air sacs. Exchange of gases takes place in this air sacs. Our chest expands. Then lungs get expand and airs come in. And when our chest contracts, lungs also contracts and air goes out. Now what do you know about function of lungs? Function of lung is to mix oxygen into our blood and to remove carbon dioxide from it. That's why lungs are also called the air filters of the body. What is the function of lung? Function of lung is to mix oxygen into our blood and to remove carbon dioxide from it. That's why lungs are called the air filters from the body. This is the end of lecture 2.